Alright, the other day out of boredom, I come up with the idea of put 3 different fireworks in 3 different bags and label them 1, 2, and 3. And I asked everybody to pick which bag they want me to shoot. And the most picked bag I would shoot off. So the most picked bag was number 2. So let's see what's in the bag. Alright, there you have it, a little firecracker. So now let's see what's really in the bag. Alright, we have a 200-gram fountain, all spark by Monkey Mania. I picked this fountain up for $5.99. So when darkness gets here, we'll light it up. We'll see if it was worth picking. And if y'all like doing this, let me know in the comments and we'll do it again sometime. Definitely worth $6.